Hi, myself Mani, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Perfume Emotions. Does it sound like some sort of weird name? No. Perfumes can create emotion, and emotion can be leading us to apply perfume. And this thing you will realize when you will start watching my channel again and again and again. Uh, Today's video was planned to be just a guide to buy a perfect perfume for yourself, and mainly targeted towards the beginners. However, this perfume named Black Saffron by Armaf has entered or launched in UK market quite recently. I tried to find out information related to that on Google and on YouTube, but I didn't find any. And there's a sale going on in the UK. Spring sales is going on in the UK. People might be in mindset whether should we buy or should we not. So that's why I thought, like, just let me grab the opportunity and do the review. So my reviewing style would be a bit different. I will do unboxing just like others. I will spray in front of you and say first impression just like others, just like one other sort of perfume YouTuber. I'll come back after 2 hours and say that how much its longevity is. However, I will go a step beyond that. I would apply this perfume for almost 3 to 5 days, which will allow me to gauge the idea about how long it lasts. So I would have the basic idea about its longevity, its sillage, and honestly speaking, I'm surrounded by female workers. Most of my colleagues are females, so definitely if I'm getting compliment, then also I will be able to share this thing with you. But most importantly, at the end, we will be concluding what emotions it has created and what would be the best state of mind when you should apply this perfume. However, it is solely based on my experience, so it cannot be experienced by other, because there is gross difference between one person to another person in a way to have emotion with perfumes. Okay, so let's doing the best part, unboxing. So over here, it's like saying that it's Black Saffron. In the back, it's like Armaf logo, and surprisingly, it has been written at the bottom where batch code is. It has been written as made in France. I'm not sure whether Armaf manufactures in France. As you can see, it's very nice bottle, very well presented bottle. It has been written as Armaf original. Over here they have written Armaf, this Black Saffron. Oh, it's really beautiful perfume bottle. Here is the sticker of Armaf, and literally it looks like black saffron. So now let's try this. First I'll try on the street, and then I'll try on my forearm or wrist, and then we'll see what actually is coming out. Atomizer is good. Literally some woody as well as floral combined smell is coming. Sweeter, literally sweeter. Now floral smell has come to surface. What I can get here is mix of oud, some floral notes, and slight sweetness. I am a perfume enthusiast. However, I don't have like a costlier perfume, so I can't say that which flankers or which sort of perfumes clone it is, but I'll say that yes, smell is really amazing. My wife, who is shooting over there, she told that by sign that she is getting smell as well. You getting smell as well?
Yes.
Okay. So sillage is quite good in the beginning. Now, woody sweetness. Sometimes saffron, like it can smell like wood as well. So that's I think that's going on over here. Let me apply it to my wrist. And let's see how it goes when it dries down. We'll close the video. Welcome back. It's almost 2 hours. Let me see. I can smell it on both the hands, but its intensity has slightly reduced. I would say that projection has also been slightly reduced. However, we will have the better idea once I start applying it from tomorrow till 3 or 4 days, and then we'll conclude the video at the end. Thanks.